the cards came out and it's your card.
Isabel, you have a power na.
Is this your card?
Is that her card?
That's amazing, Isabel. High five. Amazing. Great, great. See you again later. See you again later.